Bro, which one is USDT again? Calm down now. 100K USDT, and I'm going to do MC. You know why? Bro, guy, you don't make me be like say I useless. So you just said it's come only. Hi. Okay, 100K. Now, not USDT. This game, like I said, 100K now, is a game of speed. It's called the scavenger game. So I tell you something, you quickly find it and head back. Alright, as fast as you can. Number one, go into the crowd, come back with bottled water. It's that simple. Bottled water. If you come back, sit down. If you see any seat, sit. You go this slow. No, carry the water. You can take. Put the water. Come, return it the way you brought it from. Yes. So you see how fast it happens. Now drop the bottled water. Go into the audience. Come back with. Drop the bottled water. Sit. Bro, you don't need anything. When you come back, any free chair where you sit down. Alright? Go into the audience, come back with a female shoe. Female shoe. When you come back, sit down. When you come back, sit down. Female shoe. Easy. You 100K, no. Female shoe. When you come back, sit. This is called APDC. Easy. So, you know what? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Let's see. What do you have? Can I see? Let me see. This thing no be shoe. Na very nice shoe. Alright, it's fine. You win. Now, please go give the owners of the shoe their shoes. And please, as you're running, don't run backward like this. Anywhere you can sit anywhere. Give the owners. Now, how many people remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still need to eliminate 2 more. Go into the audience, come back with a spoon. Now, did you guys notice I didn't move any chair? Did you guys notice? Because this one no really counts. So go back, go into the audience, come back with a charger. Phone charger. The babe they call her boyfriend. Santo! Okay, hey. So let me see. Santo, did you come back with anything? That guy don't go devour. I said charger, people came back with cord.
If you charge, I will
He will charge by himself.
If I plug down.
If you plug out the laptop, did I say bring laptop? Not only you bring, what I say you bring.
All of them.
Not all of them. You bring you. First of them, and you can go charge. This one. Now, 2. Okay. Go and bring. Hi, sit down. I wanted to say bring a wig. I just realized say once you bring wig come, you go reduce person beauty. Go that way, go. No. I need to find something else. Go and come back with female handbag. Female handbag. Emphasis on female. Finally, this man don't come out. Alright, please return the handbags. Let's space out the seats.
Thank you very much.
Go, come back with a single girl. Go and bring a single girl. I'm not going to come out any seat. Go, come back with a single girl. A girl that is single, if she's dating, she don't follow. A girl that is single. Yeah, when you bring her, keep her on the seat, stand beside her. You the bed there? Very good. I'm so happy that one of the guys that has a complicated relationship made it to this level. Alright, stand behind the lady. Now, at this point, I'm going to switch the games. We're going to play a second game called Kings and Queens. The idea for this game is that you guys, the ladies, ask the guys for anything and they can do it, and they will do it, and they will do it. So, I'll start from you. Dear Queen, what would you like your king to do for you?
Just dance.
You should just dance. Oh yeah, king. DJ Sylvie, this guy has been put on the spot. Let's see him dance. Let's see him dance. Are you ready? Sky, you feel hard for her? Come this way, come.
Make it number one.
Come.
Nigeria number one.
Bring it out.
Utaliku number one.
Sky, come down this way.
West number one. Chove, 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 chove.
I want to bring it hard down for you.
Chove, chove. I chove, chove, chove.
Let's go. Keep that vibe. 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 Just so on camera. Keep that on camera. Yeah, the bus. Yeah, the bus. Yeah, the bus. Yeah, the Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Amazon. Hi, dear Queen, what do you want your king to do for you? And you can't repeat what anybody has said, though. Then, he should give you money. How much? Is that? What you can afford, bro. You are mad. So, dear king, your queen has asked for money, but she said what you can afford. Do you know what that means? Do you know what that means? Give her what you can afford. Oh yeah, let's go. Give her what you can afford. Okay, so let's pause that.
Hey.
Jesus, 100,000. Dear king. Dear king.
Oh my
please. That's the price for the game when you give us. I never even win. Dear king, can you give me what you can afford? Guy, alright. So, queen, dear king, come. Yeah, that one is allowed. Drink break. Good for you.
Mint.
Huh?
Mint.
Mint. Are you confused?
Mint, my guy, mint.
Mint. That's money.
Mint, they don't change
No,
it.
they don't talk am now. I
No,
say you
mint
don't
now. This
mint.
one na money. You know mint.
Okay, mint. So money no be mint.
Yes, mint, ego, mint.
Yeah, don't catch me. Okay, king. Come, they don't said mint. So they don't said mint. So now your hand the day now. She just said mint. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's be fast. The company will soon come out. She just said mint.
Young money, cash money. Young money, cash money.
Mint and 50,000. Now, this is the part of the game I did not tell you. Now, the kings will ask the queens for something, and you guys must do it. So, dear king, what do you want your queen to do? To sing. Sing. Dear queen, stand up. Queen, is there anything where you could like me to sing? so come. Don't grab me. The good thing about this singing is you can sing anything.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
For the love God will be so kind.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Thank you.
Clap now.
Please clap for this lady now. Alright, so we are back here. We are not the plan on ourselves. So now, dear king, what do you want your queen to do for you? Yeah, dance. We don't dance. Let her give a speech talking about the couple. Short speech. She should give a speech talking about the couple. All right?
Okay. So, thank you. I like giving speeches. But I do not really know the groom, so I'll just speak about the bride. And Lina has been my friend for, I can't remember how long, over 15 years, right? And knowing Linda is knowing someone who would always go out of her way for you. She was always there, she's always on time. If you want someone who's going to go hard and go home with you, Linda is there for you. So to Odinaka, I'm saying that you've just gotten somebody who's going to be down with you 100%. And I wish them in this journey of love that there will be so much laughter, joy, happiness, children. I think triplets.
You don't do. You want to show yourself. Please, a round of applause for her. That was a beautiful speech. Please sit down. Sit. So, dear king, what do you want your queen to do for you?
I think I want her to give me 52,000 naira.
Sharp! He said he wants her to give him 52,000 naira. MMM no pass like this. He provided help. He's about to receive. So, my dear, it's your turn. 52 ah. So 50 day your hand. Now to go find 2K. Oh my God.
Borrow her 2,000 now. Borrow her 2,000.
Women supporting women. Her girlfriend has borrowed her 2K. She has added to the 50K, and she's gonna go present to the king. Bro. Woo! My guy, how do you that 2K? Alright, thank you very much. Please come and hold that. Stand that up. So now, ladies and gentlemen, I need you guys to look at these three people, the couple. Vote out one person. Vote out one person. Look at them. So you guys are number 1, you guys are number 2, and you guys are number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, let's remove one couple. Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number 1 come out. Oh. If wait, man, I'm not going anywhere. Come. I'm not going anywhere. Wait. Everybody no vote. All of you in support of number 1 to go out, say aye. Those of you against number 1 going out, say nay. Now, number 2, out or in? Stay. Number 3, out or in? Now you can go and sit down. Very good. Now, I'm about to do matchmaking. And my boyfriend, they're not serious. Okay, so let's vote out one more person. So number 1 or number 2? Number 1, out or in? Number 2, out or in? Come on, which one will in out? In out. Number 1 or number 2? Who is going out? Number 1, do you want to go out? Tell me, do you want to go out? Yes. Do you want to go out?
Yes.
Do you want to go out? No. Do you want to go out?
No.
Oh, you're not a boss. Go. Now we have the 2 of you. Relax, your 100K is untouched. Relax. Now, ladies and gentlemen, listen. What's your name? Your full name?
Sir.
Which one? Your full name?
Sensei.
What's your first name, your middle name, and your surname?
Sensei Audu.
Okay. So what's your full name?
Choma Odogu.
Choma
Odogu.
Odogu Sharp. Now, where are you from? Where are you from?
Anambra.
Onaga Kodaga. Okay, you got close. Okay, what's your genotype? First date questions. Sharp. You all know matter. You don't cover for you. But let's ask. What's your genotype? Greedy people. A. Fine. Ladies and gentlemen, so far, you dey go Abi? You dey go Abi? So where are you based? Lagos. You go? Sharp. Please, a round of applause now. Island or mainland?
Island.
Island or mainland? Yeah, you know too far. Now just boat. Now just boat go solve am. Okay. So, bro, between me and you, do you like what you see?
I mean, she's beautiful. She's beautiful.
You see, now this thing make Adam fail the first exam for this one. God say, Adam, where are you? He say, I'm naked. I didn't connect. I said, do you like what you see? He say, I mean, she's beautiful. This thing no hard. Bro, do you like what you see?
You know, I do.
Yes or no? Do you like what you see?
It's fun.
Do you? I say yes or no. Just yes or no. Do you like what you see?
Yes.
Fine. Do you like what you see, my dear? You say?
Yes.
Mona, clap now. Do you know these guys? Yes. Yes. Woo. They do me like say, I want some. Are you dating? Hey God, I beg go. This guy laughs. Are you dating? No. I don't ask you before. You say it's really okay. Are you single?
No.
Okay. Are you dating?
Yes.
Is it a serious relationship?
Yes.
Now lie. If the relationship was that serious, you'll be married. Yes or yes? If the relationship was that serious, you'll be. I just want to check if bride got ready. Good. God, I beg. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, so we're done. But last thing, so all those guys will follow you do that thing. Go bring the 7 of them. Go. Yes. So you pick like 5 of your friends and come.